Bosch Rexroth's LinSelect program output shows you your personalized smart function kit for pressing. The LinSelect software offers users 3 different types of output: online catalog, CAD data, and printable report. Access the online product catalogs by clicking the appropriate button. Clicking this will provide 3 separate links, each for a major subcomponent within the kit. Clicking Catalog Page for this Smart Function Kit opens a new window and takes the user directly to the Smart Function Kit for Pressing webpage, where comprehensive product data is available. Back in LinSelect, users can obtain CAD data by clicking the CAD or eShop button at the bottom of the screen. In the online CAD generator, a few product options are required. Once completed, users can click the Request CAD Model button at the bottom of the screen to access the CAD data. Various CAD file types are available. Once selected, enter an email address and click Request Selected Documents. CAD files are sent as a hyperlink within minutes. Also, in the output screen of LinSelect, users have the option to access a detailed report of their sizing calculations. Selecting the Details to the Calculations button generates a single, comprehensive document and displays a preview. This document contains essential information, including all user inputs and the mechanical and electrical component calculations. It is recommended that the user print or save these records for future reference. With LinSelect's comprehensive tools, your customized smart solution is found all in one place.